Shelby. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I am Shelby, the blogger behind Shelby.com. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, I love you so much. Thank you. Anyway, so today we are going to be talking about my cloth diapering wash routine. It's really simple, so this is definitely going to be a short video. I will try not to ramble. Anyways, so if this is your first time seeing a cloth diapering video, make sure you check out my cloth diapering basics video, which gives you more information about cloth diapering in general. So anyways, alright, so my cloth diapering routine is extremely simple, very easy, and it is inexpensive. So for our cloth diapers, I wash all of our cloth diapers with the same thing that I use for our clothes, for me and my husband clothes. So for our detergent, we use Arm & Hammer, the Sensitive Skin brand, and it's only about $10. I buy it at Walmart because that is the only place I'm able to find it, and I have to buy it online. They don't usually have it in the store for us, so I always have to purchase that online, so it's just something I have to be cognizant about to not run out. But it's like $10. It's the really big jug, and it's good for 140 loads. So to me, $10 at 140 loads, that's super inexpensive. And like I said, that is the same. So I use the same thing for her diapers as I do for our clothes. So that is a good savings for us. It just makes my life easier when it comes to laundry also. And I will make sure you check out the blog post if you're curious about what kind of detergents to use, or curious if you can use the detergent that you're currently using on your baby's cloth diapers, because I found a website that was super helpful, and it ranked all the different detergents and how they affect your cloth diapers. So I will definitely make sure to leave that link in the blog post. So if you're curious about that, make sure you check out the blog post. When it comes to washing our cloth diapers, we throw all of our dirty pre-folds and covers in our wet bag, and we have our wet bag just sitting in a trash bin that's just for her cloth diapers. Poop and pee alike, I don't rinse anything. I don't have like a toilet spray or anything like that. So everything just goes straight from the wet bag to the washer. We throw all of our dirty pre-folds and diaper covers all in one bin with the inside of a wet bag, and we don't do anything special to the poo diapers. Everything goes together, and we throw that. I take that straight from the wet bag, and it goes straight into the wash. Now, I think one of the reasons why our wash routine works so well and I don't have to rinse anything is because when I put her clothes into the wash, I put them on soak for 15 minutes. That's one of the options for our washer, and I wash everything in hot water. I also make sure that the water level is always set to super, because I want there to be extra water in there when it comes to washing. When I used to put it on precise, which would give us just enough water to wash the diapers, I noticed that the diapers would have like a fishy smell. So putting extra water in there is important when it comes to washing your cloth diapers. And also when it comes to the soap, I put a full load of soap in there, no matter how many diapers are in there. Even if it's a small load of diapers, I still put a full load of soap, because when I did it, I noticed that fishy smell. Okay, mama. Okay, mama. And then when it comes to drying, I just dry everything as normal. Cloth diaper, the cloth pre-folds, along with the PUL diaper covers, they all go in the dryer together, and I don't have any issues with shrinking or anything like that. Everything goes in there together. Now, if you buy brand new cloth diapers, or cloth pre-folds, because I'm sorry, that's confusing. If you buy brand new cotton pre-folds, you will notice when you wash them that first time, or the first 3 times, because you have to wash them 3 times when you first purchase them, you'll notice they shrink up after after that first round of washing, but they don't really shrink too much after that. So that'll just, you'll notice that the first time when you wash them, and after that, it'll be fine. Everything goes pretty much when it comes to her wet bag. Everything goes in there, nothing special as far as preparation. I put it on soak, and get them all washed in there together. And then when it comes to putting them in the dryer, the only thing you want to remember with washing your pre-folds and your diaper covers is it is important not to use any type of dryer sheets. So no fabric softeners, no dryer sheets. Fabric softeners and dryer sheets can affect the absorbency of your pre-folds, your cotton pre-folds. So you don't want to use those on the baby's diapers. So that's really the only other thing that you want to make sure. That's really the only other thing to be careful with. No, do not put any bounce sheets or anything like that in the dryer, and don't use any fabric softeners. But other than that, that is literally everything I do for our cloth diaper and wash routine. Okay. Might need a 1-inch fussing. I think she needs a new diaper and some food. So I am going to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to talk to you guys soon. Make sure to stay on the lookout for the cloth diaper stash video, where I'll show you guys all of our pre-folds and our diaper covers. Alright, so talk to you guys soon.